started out in Albuquerque, New Mexico. She's a little kid. She was a homebody. She liked being at home. She'd watch TV, bounce the volleyball off the wall, swim in the pool. One of the reasons she liked being at home was with her grandpa. And he put an impression on her that stuck with her the whole time. He once told her she could do anything she wanted to. Nobody could make her do anything.
The way you brush your hair from your face, and the way you smile, I can't wait to turn another page and follow you 1,000 miles. In this world things will change, but you remain a center stage, a sacred place.
You're beautiful. So you'd think with 3 years of nurse practitioner school, full-time work, clinicals, she wouldn't have anything else to do, you know? There was no time for anything else, right? And not for Michelle. During those years, she found Rock City. She found Jesus. And she found Drew.
Michelle, my love, my heart. I love you, baby, so very much. I'm super excited. I have been looking forward to this day for a long time, and I am so freaking excited to marry you. Just an hour, and we will finally be husband and wife. I love your smile. I love your heart. I love how open and honest you are. I love that I always know where we stand, or at least if something is wrong and we can work to fix it. I love that you are so smart, so honest, and so loyal. I love you, Michelle Marie Howell. The last time I write to you as a Howell. Welcome to the Seminellis. Population, you and me.
You're a galaxy of stars, beating on my heart. You're the rising of the sky, bringing colors back to life. I see you.
Andrew Simonelli, you are everything that I knew I wanted and more than I didn't even know I needed. Your love defines unconditional love. Your love is patient, your love is kind. You do not envy or boast. You are not proud or rude. You never demand your own way.
Michelle, where to begin? You are the best thing, the best event, the best person God has placed in my life. If my life amounts to nothing else other than being your husband, then that is a life well lived. You are special. You complete me. You are my missing puzzle piece.
You are not easily angered. You keep no records of wrongs. You do not delight in evil, but rejoice when the truth wins out. You never give up on me or on our love. You are always hopeful. You protect. You always trust. And your love perseveres through every circumstance.
From the beginning, I've always said it, as Matt also said here, we're better together. We're stronger, we're smarter, we're better. I love you, and I promise to love you forever. I take you, Michelle, to be my wife.
To have and hold from this day forward, no matter what comes our way.
In sickness and in health, for richer or poorer, for better or worse.
Drew, your love is everything I prayed for and more. I vow to love and cherish you until my dying breath. Forsaking all others, by God's strength, I pledge you my faith.
And my love, till death do us part. I love you.
You're a galaxy of stars, beating on my heart.
So now, you've committed yourselves to each other, with the Lord's strength guiding and leading you in this covenant of marriage. So it is with great honor to pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined together today, let no man separate. Drew, you may kiss your wife.
You'll never go unnoticed, 'cause you got my eyes in focus. You're a galaxy of stars written on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea, every note a symphony. You're the rising of the sky, bringing colors back to life.
You found the one that you'll grow old and turn gray with. You found the one that you'll now go through every valley, stand at every mountaintop with. Those valleys aren't very easy, but walking with your husband and your wife and Christ leading the way, you guys can do anything, literally anything. We love you guys to the moon, and we couldn't be happier to celebrate you, not just today, but all the days ahead.
Michelle and I have actually only been in each other's lives for about 3.5 years. We met through a small group at Rock City Church that her and Paige led, and sure enough, we bonded over our love of Taylor Swift, our history in swimming, an obsession with her dog, Gracie, and much deeper than that, our faith in Jesus. She is a friend like no other, loyal and true, who loves fiercely and deeply, and I am beyond thankful that God brought you into my life when he did.
Drew's incredibly talented and creative, and he's amazingly skilled with a guitar. You should hear him play. Drew puts his heart into everything he does and fully commits. I know you're going to bring it to this marriage and make it absolutely fantastic. Michelle, it's hard to put into words what a great person you are. You're sincere, you're kind, you're honest. Truly, you are the sunshine after the rain, and I could not be happier that the two of you found each other.
You'll never go unnoticed, 'cause you got my eyes in focus. If there's anything you know, I hope you know this. I see you're a galaxy of stars written on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea, every note a symphony. You're the rising of the sky, bringing colors back to life. I see